我操，那么打不进啊
Hello, today we got a text between the power tools and the pneumatic tools. This is F32 from Meite. This is BLF3201 from BAILI. And today I'm gonna describe how different they are. This is Meite 1¼ inch brand nail that's called F32. Okay, today I'm gonna introduce this nail gun to you guys. And this one, the first feeling for me is very nice and convenient to take to use. And normally it's used for the decoration or the furniture, especially in the sofa. Yeah. And now I'm gonna introduce how to insert the nail to this gun. And now the loading port is up front and the switch is right here, and pull back the pusher and I insert F30 nail. Okay, I put it here. Okay, now I'm good to go. But because this is the pneumatic tools, so I have to connect the air compressor. Yeah, and you are good to go and go all the day. Before you fire the bumper, you have to make sure you got the nail engaged. Okay, you're good to go. Right here in some country, because the sales policy, they need to add the safety device into here for sales. As you can see, the depth is very smooth and very good depth. And in the conclusion, I want to say this is a very typical and a nice tool because I use many other brands like the Senko, like the Meite, like the Makita, so of them, but I think Meite is a good choice. This is BLF3201 from BAILI and also is under the Meite brand. Okay, today I'm going to introduce, this is the power tools. This brand is just 20 and 23. And now I'm going to tell you guys how to insert the brand nail. Okay, I take one strip and insert into the magazine, and I put it back, and right here you have to turn on the machine, and right now it's the single function, and if you tap right here you can switch to a multi-function. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys.
Oh my gosh, it looks weird, really ridiculous, not make sense, you know. It's a really bad depth.
Oh man, sorry about that. I forgot to adjust right here. You can change the nail depth. Okay, here we go, the text again.
Alright, here is so good depth.
As you can see, this is also a very good depth. Very good depth. Okay, now I'm going to show you how can I fire the bumper very sequences. Like this, the multi-function right now. Because this is the power tool, so it doesn't need to connect the air compressor, so it can take the fire or fire the bumper very convenient. Yeah, and this is all I can say. Thank you. Peace out, guys. Stay tuned, like and subscribe our channel.